Hey guys, what's going on? This is Joy from Be the Difference Clothing, and I am here with another short unboxing. You ever get a package in the mail and be like, who sent that? Oh, it's a surprise. When after a while, you'll be like, oh, I know where that came from. Well, that's what happened with this package. I was like, oh, who sent me a package? And I was like, oh, I know what it is. So let us unbox this thing. Do you hear it? What could it be? Ooh, ooh. So let's see what's inside. I hope everybody's having a good day. I love opening packages. Yes, I do. Have you ever gotten a chance to go over to Be the Difference website? Go check it out. Oh, guys, look at what this is. It's so pretty. Look at that. You know what? I want to say shout out. Let me put it like this just in case. It's so pretty. I want to shout out Tim Windsor. Yes, cuz Tim Windsor hooked me up and told me that Joy, they're doing something a promotion. Go check it out. And this is what it is. Basically, it's a mini reader for your vehicle. So it kind of tells you what's going on with your car without you knowing. Well, it's like a monitor. So I really like that. Let's read it really quickly. It's a smart vehicle health monitor mini. And I guess it's called Zus. I'd rather say Zus. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, so sorry, the creators of this cute little health monitor for your vehicle. So let's see what the specs say. Ooh, guys, I think I'm becoming a little techie. Oh, I think I'm becoming a little techie. Okay, it says it's good to monitor engine health. So, I guess in the event if your car starts to overheat or about to overheat, this monitor will definitely tell you. So it's real time too. Ooh, easy saver dashboard. Follow real time driving dashboard to save as much as 25 cents. Ooh, that's all you. I was gonna gift this, but it's mine now. Save it 25 cents extra on your fuel consumption. Okay, I already have a fuel efficient vehicle. Now it can be even more efficient with this beautiful health monitor. Oh, I'm loving it already. Safety Center, world's first predictive algorithm analyzes historical engine data for potential issues. Ooh, so it's just going, like how we're supposed to go to our health doctors at least twice a year, or at least, very least, once a year. I like that. Let's see what else. Mileage log, automatically log your trips and export IRS compliant reports. Ooh, you need a Bluetooth to connect that part. So it says, Dear Joy, we love you so much. Oh, wait. Thanks for choosing Nonda. Please do not hesitate to contact our customer support team at cs at nonda.us if you have any questions about the product. We'd also like to offer you extra 20% off coupon for my next purchase. Ooh, this was already free. Free. Yes. So let's see. The quick guide. I don't really like to look at directions, but if you watched me in the video where we were doing the code reader with the code reader, the ZR13, I believe it is, the memory code reader, I kind of needed to stop and get the thing, so let's just do it the first time around. So you want to align the two parts together. Ooh, it comes in. Oh, I just love this. This is so cute. I'm sorry. I love packaging. Look at that. It has a cute one there. And it's mini. Okay. So, all right. Ooh, look at the cute little computer. Oh, that is so cute. That's so nice. That's so cute. Look at the computer chip. Do you see that? I love it. So this computer chip basically diagnoses your vehicle. I love this. So what we're gonna do is connect. This is connector one, and this is the cover. So this is the cover. It says cute, very cute. So we want to align the two parts together and click. So let's align this, make sure it's proper. Actually, let's get another angle. Okay, guys, so we're going to put this together. You see the close-up of the chip? It's so pretty. I love that, the mechanics of it. I think I'm starting to get really interested in like techie things. Nonda. And this is basically what you would plug into your vehicle. So let's see. It says click, click. So we're going to click that. Let's see. Click. So that's it. Click it, now it's together. Very cute. It's very cute. Make sure you line it up properly, but it's very cute. I like it.